Welcome back to our channel. More power to you. Today, we are going to show you how to create your very own amazing game room. Whether you're a casual gamer or a die-hard enthusiast, having a dedicated space for gaming can take your experience to the next level. So, let's dive right in and discover how you can build your dream game room. Segment 1. Planning your game room. The first step in building your game room is careful planning. Determine the available space and consider your budget. Measure the dimensions and make a rough sketch of the layout. Take into account the furniture, equipment, and accessories you'll need. This planning phase ensures you make the most of your space and create a functional and immersive gaming environment. Segment 2. Setting the atmosphere. Creating the right atmosphere is crucial for an incredible game room. Start by choosing a theme that reflects your gaming style, whether it's futuristic, retro, or fantasy. Use colors and lighting to enhance the mood. Install dimmable LED lights or smart lighting systems that can be synced with your gaming sessions. Don't forget to add soundproofing elements to minimize outside noise distractions. Segment 3. Essential equipment. Now, let's talk about the essential equipment for your game room. Of course, the centerpiece will be your gaming setup. Invest in a high-quality gaming console or PC, a comfortable gaming chair, and a large monitor or TV with low input lag. Consider adding surround sound speakers for an immersive audio experience. Storage solutions for your games and accessories are also important to keep everything organized. Segment 4. Gaming accessories. To enhance your gaming experience, there are a few must-have accessories. Firstly, a good gaming headset with a built-in microphone for clear communication. A gaming keyboard and mouse with customizable features will improve your control. Depending on the games you play, you may also want to invest in a gaming controller or a steering wheel for racing games. Lastly, don't forget to add a mini fridge to keep your drinks and snacks within arm's reach. Segment 5. Personal touches and final touches. Personalize your game room by adding your own unique touches. Display your favorite gaming memorabilia, such as posters, figurines, or collectibles. Consider mounting shelves on the walls to showcase your game collection. Adding comfortable seating options for spectators is a great idea if you enjoy multiplayer games. Finally, make sure to optimize your room's layout for easy access and comfort during extended gaming sessions. Congratulations! You now have all the knowledge you need to create an incredible game room. Remember, careful planning, setting the right atmosphere, choosing the essential equipment and accessories, and adding personal touches are the key elements to make your game room truly yours. We hope this guide has inspired you to embark on this exciting project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy gaming!